Let's talk about customizing detailed estimates. Now, you would use this if you wanted to figure out what it would cost to bid on certain keywords, so utilizing the Google AdWords keyword tool, you will definitely want to pay close attention to this. Before you can actually do that, you will need to add keywords to your plan, which is over here. This is the plan on this side, and you'll need to add keywords from this point over to this point, and to do that, all you have to do is simply click on here to add it to the plan. You'll notice that when you add it to the plan, the keywords over here will disappear, and that gives you the ability to search more keywords and simply add on the ones that you want over to here. When it comes to reviewing the estimates, I can see all the keywords that I want to review, and all I have to do is simply click on the review estimates. At this point, you'll be brought to a new screen where you can simply enter a bid and a daily budget. Then, of course, you can add detailed estimates that relate to your campaign. As you can see here, the ad group or the ads that you have, you can see kind of an idea of, okay, this is going to cost you $115 to get about 300 clicks. And then as you ramp it up, you can get more clicks. This is going to be CPC, which is cost per click. And then you can see the impressions per day that you could potentially get, and of course, cost per day to get ad position up to ad position 1. If we were to enter, let's say for example, since we have an idea here, we enter something like 50 cents a bid and our daily budget is something like $25. If you click on Get Detailed Estimates, this gives you an idea about how many clicks per day you will actually receive with this bid on this daily budget. You can see clicks per day, impression per day, cost per day, and of course, the ad position. Ad position for this, you would be in the range of 2 to 3. If we up it a little bit, let's say 90 cents, and then we get detailed estimates, you can see that the ad position does move up, but not drastically. So, we're no longer in the 3 position, we're now in the 2 position. This is the ad group as a whole. As we go down here, we can actually see more details, such as the CTR, which is the click-through rate. So for example, if you have 100 people come to the ad, and then 2.1 or 2 people click it, then that would be about $2 CTR. If we click here, we can actually see it in a little more detail in terms of the keywords themselves. So for example, the puppy potty training. We get about 0.78 clicks, which is about 1 click, 49 impressions, and then the cost would be about 50 cents. There's not a lot of clicks for puppy potty training in this case if we bid that amount. If I up it, we can see what kind of results we get. It looks about the same, but we could see that dog training classes, or even puppy shots, or puppy training classes, or service dog training gets a little more clicks than these here too. What it does is it just gives you an idea of what you're dealing with. You can also edit match types. So for example, currently it should be broad match type. If you switch it to something like exact match type, you probably will not get as many clicks, but they're going to be a lot more targeted tricks. But puppy training dogs, we can see that the clicks does move up. Then we have phrased match, and as you can see, the updates show right here. Just keep in mind though, that broad match means that when somebody types in dog trainer, that means in any case where the words dog or trainer appear, it will pull the keyword phrase in. If it's an exact match like dog trainer, it will only look for the keyword dog trainer. Phrase match is similar in the sense that if it's dog trainer, then it will pull in anything related to dog trainer. But if it said something like German Shepherd dog trainer, that would be phrase match and it would pull that keyword in. This is a great tool to use if you're using Google AdWords, or if you just want to get an idea of profitability in your market demand. Of course, once you're done with that, you can simply click on Save to Account.